Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this introduction video. Today, I did a model of the compression test analysis of a composite column, which is made of here steel column at the inner column, at the middle, or at the core. We use rubberized concrete with concrete damage plasticity model, and the outer side again is a steel, and we use surface to surface interaction between this part here, and it is the compression load, and we did that in Abacus software. Based on the paper, we use quasi-static model, and if you check here, this is the buckling which is happening in the composite column in all the parts, and this is the stress contour, and then this is the rubberized concrete, and it's buckling here at the middle. The maximum deformation happen at the middle, and then the steel, the local buckling at the top and at the bottom and at the middle, and then the force displacement or load carrying capacity of this composite column. We have a peak here after the second peak here, about 3 meganewton, after that decreasing capacity, and we can say this is a maximum force capacity here for the 20 millimeter displacement. And then the inner side, you can see that, and here this is the separation which is happen here, here, and at the bottom in three zones between the rubberized concrete and steel, because we define the surface contact, not perfect contact. And here this is a diagram proof that this is the quasi-static model. The kinematic energy is almost zero, and this is the internal energy. And if you want to provide this tutorial, this project, come to our website abacusfm.com. This is the tutorial, or search the title here. You will find it. Click on title. This is the introduction, the assemble, the goal of the study, some of the results, the method, finite element method, and then the result and discussion here, and the final result. And at the end, the project files include CAE, INP, paper, Excel file, and a step-by-step video. And the purchase can be done through all cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and the price is 30 euros. Just before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the payment process, the tutorial content, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.